Introducing in this video. Lexus TX 350, Full Review 2024. The 2024 TX SUV shares its platform with the Toyota Grand Highlander, and is replacing the previous generation RXL 3-row SUV in the Lexus lineup. While the RXL didn't offer much room in the rearmost seat, the TX makes up for it by providing ample space for adults to settle in comfortably. In addition to its spaciousness, the TX boasts a wide array of luxurious features that truly justify its Lexus badge. From semi-aniline leather upholstery, to a premium 21-speaker Mark Levinson stereo system, the TX offers an opulent interior that is both sophisticated and indulgent. As for power, the TX doesn't disappoint. There are 3 different powertrains to choose from, including 2 hybrid options, one of which is a plug-in. The entry-level models are equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, while the plug-in hybrid variant packs an impressive punch with 404 horsepower and a convenient 33 miles of electric-only driving range. With its combination of style, comfort, and performance, the 2024 TX SUV sets itself apart as a truly remarkable vehicle in the luxury SUV segment. The TX 350 Luxury is undoubtedly the ideal choice for car enthusiasts who enjoy a luxurious ride. This model offers an impressive range of upscale features, including semi-aniline leather upholstery and heated seats for added comfort. With 10-way power-adjustable front seats, the driver can customize their position for an optimal driving experience. Furthermore, the heated steering wheel is a feature that can be enjoyed during colder months. The technology package adds even more convenience and comfort with a 12.3-inch gauge display, a digital rear-view mirror, a head-up display, and a parking assist system. For those seeking speed, the TX 550h is a plug-in hybrid that delivers an impressive 404 horsepower. This technology is groundbreaking, and it's eco-friendly, making it a great choice for conscious drivers. With 3 different flavors to choose from, the TX is sure to make an impression in the market. It's set to go on sale in fall 2023, and pre-orders are already rolling in. It's no surprise why, the Lexus brand delivers on quality and luxury, and the TX is no exception. Models equipped with the TX 350 badge come standard with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 275 horsepower. These models are available in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Although the TX 350 may not be as quick as its hybrid counterparts, it still offers a smooth and comfortable ride, which should be appealing to families looking for a luxurious experience. If you prefer a faster acceleration, you can choose one of the 2 available hybrid powertrains, with the fastest option estimated to reach a speed of 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. The TX 500hF Sport Performance takes performance up a notch with its standard all-wheel drive and hybrid assist system, which increases horsepower to 366. This model comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission instead of an 8-speed. For those who desire the most powerful version of the TX 550h Plus is the ideal choice. This model combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a plug-in hybrid system to generate an impressive 404 horsepower. The TX 550h Plus comes standard with all-wheel drive and offers a continuously variable automatic transmission. With the F Sport treatment, the TX handles competently and has impressed drivers during testing in the hilly regions of Austin, Texas. However, keep in mind that the suspension upgrades on these models may result in a less comfortable ride on uneven roads. It is thrilling to read about the Lexus TX 550h model having a battery capacity powerful enough to make the 3-row SUV run for approximately 33 miles without needing to be recharged. However, there is still much we do not know about this plug-in hybrid, such as its battery's exact size, the estimated charging time, and official range estimate. As soon as we find out more about these particularities, we will update this story with any additional information. Until then, we can only speculate about the numerous possibilities that such a dynamic, eco-friendlier automobile might provide. Perhaps this model's innovative technology will set an unprecedented standard for futuristic hybrid vehicles to come. The EPA estimates provide us with valuable information about the fuel efficiency of the TX models. According to their estimates, the TX 350 delivers a commendable 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on front-wheel drive. However, if you opt for the all-wheel drive version, the highway mileage drops slightly to 26 miles per gallon. On the other hand, the hybrid TX 500h boasts even better fuel efficiency, offering an impressive 27 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. These estimates serve as a useful guideline for potential buyers, but we understand that real-world performance can often differ from lab testing. To provide a comprehensive review, we plan to take the TX on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route and update this article with the actual results. Stay tuned for our upcoming findings. In the meantime, if you want to explore more detailed information about the TX's fuel economy, you can visit the EPA's official website. The Lexus TX offers a flexible seating arrangement for up to 7 passengers, depending on the chosen interior layout. However, if you prefer more personal space, you can opt for a set of second-row captain's chairs, which will reduce the total capacity to 6. In addition to comfortable seating options, the TX also provides ample storage space. To add convenience, Lexus has integrated multiple charging ports within the cabin. The standard luxury features of the TX include power-adjustable front seats with heating, ambient interior lighting, and a power-adjustable steering column. For a more luxurious experience, there are several available upgrades, such as semi-aniline leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel. Lexus continues to impress with its advanced technology features in the TX model. The standard 14.0-inch infotainment display not only adds a touch of elegance to the interior, but it also showcases Lexus' latest infotainment interface that has been praised for its responsiveness and user-friendly design. The inclusion of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto further enhances the driving experience, making it effortless for users to connect their smartphones for seamless integration. In addition to these convenient features, the TX comes equipped with an in-dash navigation system, eliminating the need for additional devices. To cater to the ever-evolving needs of drivers, a 12.3-inch digital gauge display allows for customization, displaying various types of information that provide real-time insights to the driver. For those who prefer having information displayed directly in their line of sight, the optional head-up display offers an additional digital readout, promoting a safer and more focused driving experience. And for the ultimate audio enthusiasts, Lexus offers an optional 21-inch Mark Levinson premium stereo system, which ensures an immersive and unparalleled sound experience. With these cutting-edge features, the Lexus TX proves to be a technological powerhouse. Every driver wants to feel safe behind the wheel, and the TX is designed to provide a secure driving experience. The suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, and lane centering, works together to help prevent accidents and keep drivers and passengers safe. But it's not just the advanced technology that makes the TX a safe choice. It also boasts key safety features, such as a strong body structure and a suite of airbags. For those who want to know more about the TX's crash test results, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites offer comprehensive information. With the TX, you can feel confident and secure as you hit the road.